If you're pulled over for a DUI and you're asked to take a breath test, I generally tell people to take it. The reason I say take the breath test is because the penalties for refusing a breath test in Maryland are just so draconian. If you refuse to take the breath test, you're looking at one of two outcomes: a 120-day straight suspension of your license, no restrictive license so you can drive to and from work. You can't drive for 120 days for any reason. Or you have the interlock on your car for a year. With the interlock, if you go through the year, if you have a rolling refusal or if you have a positive alcohol test in any 1 month, they add a month on to that 1 year. And then you can get 3 strikes essentially. And after your 3rd strike, even if you get that 3rd strike on the way to having the interlock removed, the MVA can kick you out of the program and give you that initial 120-day suspension on top of the year interlock that you've already served. Generally, I say take the breath test. If you are going to be between a 0.08 and 0.14, you still have the opportunity of getting a restricted license for 45 days. So you can still drive to and from work, to and from alcohol education classes, and to and from medical treatment. If you refuse the test, you don't have that opportunity. You have a 120-day straight suspension or interlock on your car for a year. If your result is 0.15 or above, the penalty is either a 90-day straight suspension or a year interlock. But even with those high test results, there are things that I can do as your attorney to keep those test results out in court.